When I create a PowerPoint presentation, I build it for a presentation of a specific length, which could be 20 or 45 minutes, say. The problem is that event organizers might ask me to make my presentation shorter, such as going from 45 to 30 minutes, and I probably won't have time to make the cuts just before I step on stage. That's why I like to create custom slideshows for common lengths, such as 5, 10, 20, and 30 minutes, in addition to my usual 50. And in this movie, I will show you how to build and switch between custom slideshows. The sample file I'm using is 0203 Custom Slideshow, and you'll be able to download that using the link found in the video description. In this PowerPoint deck, I have a number of slides, so go from 1 down to 8. And you can see that there will be some slides that I want to skip. For example, my menu slide, slide number 2, is one that probably shouldn't come up when I'm giving a presentation. But instead, what I can do is create a custom slideshow, and that will allow me to move from slide to slide. And they don't have to be in the same order that they are in within my PowerPoint document. So I'll go back to slide number 1, and then on the slideshow tab of the ribbon, I'll get rid of the control panel that appeared. I will click Custom Slideshow, and then Custom Shows. In the Custom Shows dialog box, I'll click New, and I'll change the name to Keynote Focus. You can call it anything you want. Now I need to identify the slides in the presentation that I want to add. So I'll start with slide 1. Then I will add slide number 3, slide number 4, slide number 5, and scrolling down, slide number 8. So those are the slides that will be added to my presentation. So I'll click the Add button, and you can see them over here in the Slides and Custom Show panel. And if I wanted, I could change the order of an individual slide. For example, if I wanted to put slide 4 after slide 5, then I could click slide 4, and I could click the down button to move it down. In this case, that wouldn't make any sense, so I'll click the up button to move it up, and you can see how it's changing in the custom show order. And if I want to remove a slide, for example, if I want to get rid of my contact information, I could click that slide in the Slides and Custom Show panel and click Remove. In this case, though, I want to keep it. So this looks good, and I'll click OK. And I'm back in the Custom Shows dialog box. And let's see what that looks like. So I will have Keynote Focus selected, and then I'll click Show. So here I am in my presentation, and this is my custom slideshow. And I'll click to move forward. So I'm at slide number 3. So I skipped over the menu. Then which game are you playing, which was number 4. Why settle for simple, which was number 5. And my contact information, which is slide 8, the final slide. And I'll click twice to get out. Now I'll create a separate custom slideshow. So I will click Custom Slideshow again on the Slideshow tab of the ribbon. Click Custom Shows. Click New. And I will add the following slides to this presentation. So I'll do 1 and add it. Then I will do 8, so I'll scroll down. That's my contact information. And add. And then 4, 5, and 6 and add. So you can see that you're able to change the order of the slides as they go into your custom show. You don't just have to send them over in order and then change them by moving them up and down. I'll change the slideshow name from Custom Show 1 to Contact Info Focus and click OK. And I'll just do a quick show to run through it. So I'll click Contact into Focus, or Info Focus, then click Show. So there's 1. What was slide number 8? Then slide number 4, 5, 6, and we're done. And one thing you can do with custom slideshows is to create links to them so you can have a menu of options and open them up. So this is where slide number 2 comes in. So I'll go to slide number 2, click it to edit, and then I will select custom slideshow number 1. That's my text there. And then I'll press Control K to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. And then I'll click Place in this document. And at the bottom of the list in the Select a Place in this document panel, you'll see Custom Shows. And the first show that I want to add, this is Custom Slideshow 1, is Keynote Focus. And note that they are in the order I created them, not in alphabetical order. So Keynote Focus, and click OK. So there is my first hyperlink. And then I will select the text for Custom Slideshow number 2. And just as a reminder of how to get to the Insert Hyperlink dialog box, if you don't remember the keyboard shortcut, click Insert, then click Link, and then make sure you click Place in this document. Scroll down, Contact Info Focus, click OK, and there you are. And now you can click those links from within a slideshow. So we'll go up and click the Start from Beginning button on the Quick Access toolbar. So there's slide number 1, and then I can either click for Custom Slideshow 1 or Custom Slideshow 2. Let's do Custom Show 1, so I'll click there. So we've got slide 1, 3, 4, 5, and 8, and click away twice. And then I'll start the slideshow again from the start, click to move forward, click Custom Slideshow 2. So there's 1, 8, 4, 5, and 6. And click again to step out, and we are back in the presentation file. It can be difficult to decide what to cut from the beautiful hour-long presentation you built, but the needs of your audience, and more specifically the person who hired you, are more important. If you create custom slideshows for the lengths that might be asked for, you can speak easily and not have to decide which slides to skip in the middle of your presentation. And as a reminder, it's always better to have a presentation that's a few minutes too short so you can spend time emphasizing a point instead of having too many slides and needing to rush through. I hope these tips have been helpful. If they were, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.